In this video, we look at this amazing shipping container house built using shipping containers and a mix of conventional materials to create 1,506 square feet of habitable space with 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, and a gorgeous 2-car garage. So this is the general neighborhood of the property. We have this beautiful water feature in the neighborhood. This is a view of the house from one side of the garage away from the approach. This is a view of the house from the general approach, showing this concrete pathway to the main entrance. This is one of the containers. It's another container that are shared and placed parallel to each other, and the space in between is built up using conventional materials and given a big slanting roof with clear story lighting to create amazing indoor living spaces. This is the main living space in the house, showing the lounge area, the dining space, and the kitchen. This is a view of the lounge area. We have this fireplace. There's a flat screen TV mounted on the wall. This space under one of the containers. Worth noting is the clear story windows on this elevated level built using glass blocks. It's a closer view of the kitchen area and the dining. I love this waterfall kitchen island with the marble countertops. You'll also appreciate the stainless steel appliances and the adequate storage space. Closer view of the kitchen island and the lounge and the dining in the background. Another view of the kitchen space, showing the stainless steel appliances and the overhead plus under the counter storage cabinets. Beautiful view of the dining space, showing this nice lighting above the dining. You'll appreciate the big glazing that drenches this indoor living space with natural lighting. This is a view of the main bedroom in the house. I like the quality of finishes that are oozing opulence and luxury. I love the high ceilings, the adequate daylighting, the beautiful wooden floors, and the white painted walls, making the space look bigger, creating that illusion of large indoor living spaces. The view of the same master bedroom, you'll appreciate the full height glazing and the quality of finishes. This is a view of the main bathroom, the glass shower stall, the freestanding tub, the wash and basin, and the beautiful lighting. A view of the wash and basin and the big wall hanging bathroom mirror. A view of one of the bed spaces. There's a view of the common bathroom, the laundry area. A view of another bedroom. This is a double wide container space. You can even see the joinery of the 2 shipping containers. The view of the outdoor terrace above the garage. This is a direct access from the indoor of the house to the terrace space. The aerial view of the entire setup, showing the main house, the garage, and the rooftop terrace above the garage. So what do you think about this amazing shipping container house? Kindly give us your opinion by posting in the comment section below. If you love container homes, feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for these and more amazing weekly videos on shipping container projects. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. On this channel, we showcase amazing shipping container projects from around the world. If you like this kind of content, then feel free to subscribe to our YouTube channel for amazing weekly videos on shipping container projects.